Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you guys on a step-by-step tutorial on how to add tokens to a Phantom Wallet account. In order to add tokens to Phantom Wallet, first you'll need to open your Phantom app. This is the interface you will see after opening your Phantom app. In the home page, you can see your tokens as well. I only have one token. In order to add token, you can tap on the manage token list on the very bottom. And as you can see, there are different tokens and right beside it there is a toggle button. You'll have to tap on toggle. After tapping on the button, you can see list of token available. Beside each token, there is a toggle button. So check if the toggle button is purple or gray. Make sure to turn your toggle button purple in order to add tokens. And just like that, you'll be adding some tokens. Now, if you want to add more tokens besides the list, you will need to tap on the buy option on the very top. From here, you can find different tokens. If you can't find your wanted token, you can tap on the search bar and look for the token you have been searching. Then you can tap on the token. You'll have to enter the amount of token you want to buy. You can also choose from these shortcuts if the amount you need appears. When you are ready, you will need to tap on the next option. Finally, you have to proceed to make the payment by tapping here on this payment provider you see. There can be several providers. You can choose on the option you feel comfortable with. And just like that, you can add tokens to your Phantom Wallet account. Thank you for staying till the very end of this video. I hope this video was helpful for you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to leave us like, share, and subscribe.